Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to check for purchase history on your iPhone iOS 26. For example, if you want to check which kind of app or purchase you have made from the App Store. So if you want to check previous purchase history of the last 90 days or any kind of a date range, then you can simply check for that. For this, what you have to do, you have to simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to simply make sure that you are connected to a proper Wi-Fi and internet connection. And after that, what you have to do, you have to simply follow the method. So there are two methods available. So the first one method is from the App Store. So you have to simply open the App Store, and after that, you have to simply click on name or Apple ID here, and you can simply go to the purchase history as shown in here. So if you want to check for the purchase history, then if you do not find, and you can simply use the filter, which means you can simply select the date range, and moreover you can also select host or free. Then you can select which of the apps you got free and which of the apps you got paid. So if in this way you can simply check for your all purchase history of even previous last 90 days. So the second method is that you can simply go to settings, and after that you have to click on name or Apple ID, and here you have to simply click on media and purchase, and after that you have to wait for some time so that a new a new kind of interface is available. So here you can simply find all of your settings related to subscription and purchase history. So here you can simply click on that purchase history, and you can find the same setting which you got in the previous method. So in this way, you can simply check for all of your purchase history of the previous 90 days, and also you can check for the paid and free purchase history. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like this, you can subscribe our channel.